Rapid Pipeline's remeshing and bake holes action makes it easy to simplify models with complex geometry without losing detail. In this example, we are using a Wicker chair that has a complex open structure. The model has over 1 million triangles, and most of that comes from the detailed Wicker mesh alone. This geometry is simply far too complex for traditional decimation, but that is where RapidPipeline's remeshing feature excels. Simply select the remesh and bake action, review the settings, and hit run. RapidPipeline then processes the selected meshes, creating a new shrink-wrap surface, and uses alpha masking to retain the hole patterns in a generated texture map. Let's turn on the wireframe mode to examine the results. As you can see, while the mesh's geometry was reduced from 1 million triangles to just 10,000 triangles, the remesher still managed to maintain the original model's visual detail. The face target, which acts as an upper limit, was set to 50,000 triangles, but RapidPipeline was able to optimize well below that. The plugin was able to effectively bake all of the Wicker chair's original gaps. Optimize your models fast, flexibly, and effortlessly with RapidPipeline for Unreal Engine. Try it for free or chat with a human team directly on our website.